This is a lightsaber. Just kidding, guys. This is Cale with Benchmark, and in today's video, we're not talking about a lightsaber, but one that looks like it, the magnetic locator ML3S from Subsurface. Today's video, we're gonna be kind of highlighting 4 main points about this unit. The first being its design and comfort, second being its durability, third is gonna be submersibility, and finally, we're gonna go over its performance and technology. Let's get right into the first point, design. If you can see these 2 magnetic locators, you're probably familiar with this unit right here. It is the Schonstedt. The main reason that this is a better locator is quite obvious. It's easier to hold, it looks better, all around great. This unit right here, guys, will make 3D printed external holders to be able to rig up onto the thing just to make it more comfortable, but there's no need for it anymore with the ML3S. The second point is durability. This puppy right here is IP68 rated. Lots of instruments are nowadays, but this thing's gonna be able to handle mud, rain, snow, absolutely anything you've got in the field. Heavy drops, this thing is a trooper. Point number 3 is a bit of a bonus here, which is submersibility. This unit right here, unlike all the other magnetic locators, guys actually will go diving with. It's rated for up to 250 feet of diving or 76 meters for all of our Canadian friends. Now, if you zoom in real close right here, you're gonna see this vacuum sealed wrapping along this control panel here. It's gonna make it 100% airtight, 100% waterproof. The fourth and final point is performance. I'll give you a bit of a live demo here. Here we have some sort of water opening to get to the utilities. Any of you utility guys, obviously you're gonna know this, and some of these can be hidden or buried. So for our sake, we're just gonna use one that is out in the open. Here we go. Sometimes these things or whatever you're trying to locate can be really small and not quite as simple as it was for me today, but there are lots of different settings on here. There's 4 buttons, so it's simple, but there are enough features to get the job done. You'll see there's the on and off button. You've got your gain. So if it's a really small object, you're gonna have to crank that gain a little bit up. The gain is gonna essentially be your sensitivity. The smaller the object, the higher the gain. The larger, the lower the gain, vice versa. The fourth is gonna be the auto zero function here. You can kind of think about it like there's a lot of static noise with this high frequency device. And so the zero function is gonna just cut out all that noise in the background so your device can find exactly what you're looking for.